Today we're making grilled cheese. Today we're making grilled cheese with a hamburger inside. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Alright, welcome in, welcome back. Here's our ingredients. Everything will be down below. We got burger meat, we got bacon. The bacon, we're going to just go ahead and get started on that right away. We're going to do that first. So now we're going to saute our onions down. Went in with some butter. Hit it with a little salt. Caramelize those suckers down. We just decided to make square burgers like Wendy's. A little bit big, you know, than the bread because they shrink down a little. All right, so about 20 minutes later, this is what we got on our onions, nice and caramelized. I'm in a rush, so I'm probably gonna, just take it to right about here. And that's pretty good. They come out nice and sweet. Now, in the same pan as the bacon grease goes the burgers. I know it's not healthy, nowhere near healthy, but if you're gonna eat bad, cook it yourself. All right, so let's move on to our mayonnaise. We're gonna hit it up with a little Cajun seasoning, not too much, just a little bit layer of a flavor, because we're gonna be using this mayonnaise to toast our bread. And it's a fat, so instead of using butter, which kind of takes a little bit long, and your bread can get a little soggy, mayonnaise is so much better. So just get that all spread on. Now, I didn't learn of this technique until like maybe about 2 years ago. I'm like, where has this been my whole life? You really can toast up some nice bread. I mean, it's nice and crusty and crunchy and everything. You don't want a big thick glob of mayonnaise on there. Just kind of, nice spread with thin on top. All right, so let's move back over to our burgers. They're just turned them over. Didn't show it on camera. But while that's being done, we're going to go ahead and toast the bread up. So we're gonna go down on one side. Now, I'd say it was about 3 minutes, 4 minutes that went by. I really didn't want to bore you with watching bread toast. So we're gonna pull these off, right? So we only have one side. So take that off of there. Take this other one off. So we already got one side toasted. And we're gonna flip this one over. So now we're gonna go ahead, go down with some cheese. We're gonna go down with 2 slices. And then we're gonna hit it up with the bacon, some of those caramelized onions. Let's get the other side. Those 2 burgers. We're doing 3 burgers today. So on with our patties. Our patties are well done. And then on with a slice of cheese. So we're gonna have to remove these real quick, because now we're gonna put down the other side of the bread. The pan is up fairly high. It's up like 2 notches from high. So it's up there. So we got the one side down. That's the side that it's going to be on our burger. All right, so we're just going to heat these through until they're done. And boom. This is what you got. We got a grilled cheeseburger. Guys, this came out good. We got our cheese, we got our bacon, and the crusty texture of the bread. Oh, that crunch changes everything. So let's take a look on the inside. We don't really like pink too much, so just after pink, pretty much well done. Look at that bacon and the onions and the cheese, and that crunch from the bread. Guys, this is so good. It's just another take on a burger. You know, if you're gonna eat bad, make it yourself. You know what you put in it. Delish. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day.